kids. We're going to look at our next group of polygons. These are all polygons that have either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 sides. We're going to learn the correct names for those polygons. So first set is a pentagon. So a pentagon is something that a shape, polygon that has 5 sides. So penta means 5 in Latin, and penta means 5 in Greek, and penti means 5 in Latin. So they're roots of words. So you often see words that have that penta in it, and you'll know that has to do with 5. So this is a regular pentagon. It means that all the sides are about the same size, and it looks pretty proportionate. This one has 5 sides. It's still a pentagon, but it's called an irregular one because clearly the sides aren't even close to the same all the way around. Some might be similar. All right, our next polygon is a hexagon. So hexagon is both Greek and Latin for 6. Hexa means 6. So this is a 6-sided figure or a polygon, and this is a regular one because they're all about the same size there. Here, this is still a hexagon, but it has 6 sides, so it's still a hexagon. It's an irregular one. Next, we are going to look, yes, you're right, 7 sides, a heptagon. Hepta means 7 in Greek, and here is one that is a regular heptagon. Here is an irregular heptagon. Each of them have 7 sides, which also means they have 7 angles for each of these. Octagon. You know an octopus has how many legs? You're right, 8. So an octagon has 8 sides. Octa means 8, both in Latin and Greek. And this one here is your regular octagon, your irregular octagon. All of them have 8 sides, which means they have 8 angles. The nonagon. Nona is 9. So 9-sided regular figure right there. And here's the irregular nonagon. Nona is both, let's see, it's Greek. So that's what I found from that one. So you'll notice most of the roots are going to be from Greek or Latin when you're dealing with math. So, and last but not least for this lesson, we have a decagon. A decagon has, like a decade, 10. Deca means 10. So that is both Latin and Greek. And here we are with a regular decagon and an irregular decagon. But just know that if it has 10 sides, it is a decagon. So your job is to go into your Google Drive, and then you are going to find a lesson called Polygons, 5 to 10 side polygons, and you are going to do the parts. Make sure you read each thing, count the sides, because on your other math lessons, some of you weren't finishing the whole thing or you weren't doing it quite right. Go back, rewatch the video if you need to, but they are also going to talk about some of the rhombuses that we talked about, parallelograms, rectangles. They're going to cover all of the polygons that we've covered so far in that homework that's in your drive today. So good luck. Have fun with it. Go revisit any of the lessons. That's a good thing to do because you may get confused, especially yesterday. We had a lot of new words and different ways to describe things. And I want you to make sure you have that. All right. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night.